Where I come from, Mukimo is a very common dish, and it's basically mashed potatoes with some sort of maize and some veggies and a bean. You can use any type of bean. Sometimes we use peas, and you can use either spinach, but traditionally we use a vegetable called kahurura or pumpkin leaves. But today I'm giving it a modern twist. And let me show you what I'm going to do to my modern twist mukimo. We are starting with all our ingredients laid out: peeled and cubed potatoes, pre-cooked sweet corn, diced onions, pre-cooked green peas, pre-cooked pumpkin leaves, cooking oil, salt, and a little black pepper. Simple ingredients, familiar flavors, but when they come together, they create something deeply comforting. Let's begin. I'm adding in the peeled cubed potatoes into a pot. Try to keep the cubes roughly the same size so they cook evenly. Now I'll cover them with water, just enough to fully submerge them. Cover the pot and let them boil until fork tender. You'll know they are ready when a fork slides in easily without resistance. While the potatoes cook, we'll prepare the greens. Into the blender, I'm adding the pre-cooked green peas and pumpkin leaves. Then about a cup of water, just enough to help everything blend smoothly. Now we blend. I'm using the tamper to gently push everything down towards the blades. This helps create a really smooth puree. Take your time here. A smooth blend gives you the beautiful creamy consistency in the final mukimo. Once that's done, set it aside. Back to the stove. I'm adjusting the burners and placing a pan over medium heat. Add in the cooking oil and let it warm slightly. Then in goes the onions. Give them a stir and let them cook slowly. You don't want to rush this step. The goal is to draw out their natural sweetness, so keep stirring. As they soften, they begin to turn slightly golden. This is where flavor develops. Now, they are perfectly golden brown, soft, fragrant, and slightly caramelized. That's exactly what we are going for. Remove them from the heat and set aside. So let's check on the potatoes. They are tender and ready. Drain off the water completely. Excess water can make the mukimo too loose. Now we mash. I'm using my favorite potato masher. It gives a smooth texture without overworking the potatoes. Mash while they are still hot. Add in a little salt so it blends evenly throughout. Now we start building the layers of flavor. In goes the golden onions and that vibrant green puree. Continue mashing. You'll see the potato slowly take on that beautiful green color. It's earthly, vibrant, and so inviting. Keep mashing until everything is evenly combined. Now I'm adding the sweet corn and gently mashing again. The corn adds texture and a subtle sweetness that balances the savory flavors perfectly. At this stage, I switch to a spatula to fold everything together thoroughly. Scrape the sides, make sure every ingredient is evenly incorporated. The texture should be creamy but still hearty, not overly smooth. And that's our Mukimo. I'm transferring it into my favorite serving bowl. I love this bowl because it's both fridge safe and microwave safe. It makes storing leftover Mukimo simple and reheating easy without transferring to another dish. And here it is, soft, creamy, comforting. Today I'm serving it with pork on the side. I'll share the recipe soon, and some stir-fried cabbage, which you can already find on the channel. It's the kind of meal that feels grounding, familiar, satisfying. If you'd like the detailed written recipe with exact measurements, it's available on the website, and you'll find the link in the description box down below. And here is my twist to the modern Mukimo. Basically, we use sweet corn instead of maize, and let me tell you, it is so delicious. So let's give it a taste test together. Anytime you make Mukimo, please do not skip the onions bit. It always brings the flavor to another level. And always have your meal, some protein on the side and some veggies on the side. And this you will enjoy. If you try it, please let me know how it turns out and how you love it. Remember to leave a comment on the comment section down below. Like the video, share with your loved one, and if you haven't subscribed, please hit that subscribe button. Until the next time, happy cooking.